To create a healthy and nutrient-dense recipe made without refined or processed products is not that easy. It takes a lot of effort to bring out the best healthy recipes for you. Yes, it's time consuming, and the best recipes can only be brought out through trial and error, recipe testing, and repeated experiments in my home kitchen. I do get inspired sometimes, like for example, I saw a 3 ingredient coconut ice cream recipe on Instagram. I was intrigued by that recipe, especially the creamy texture of the ice cream, that I decided to make one, but from scratch. I'm using one whole coconut which I broke open easily with a blunt knife. Breaking up a coconut is no brainer, especially for us Mallus. The coconut was patiently scraped out, and yes, I cook with tender loving care each time, every single time. Once the coconut is grated, I add it into the blender jar along with 1 cup of water and blend it to extract fresh coconut milk. Transferred the blended coconut into a bowl and added another 1 cup of water to wash down the residue coconut in the blender jar. I then squeezed the grated coconut to extract the coconut milk and strained it through a cotton cloth to extract fresh, thick coconut milk. Into the fresh coconut milk, I'm adding in half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup melted jaggery, and 3 tablespoons raw cacao powder. Blend everything with a spoon, and once nicely mixed, I've wrapped it up with a food grade cling wrap and freezed overnight. Once the ice cream mix is freezed well, I removed it from the freezer and I found the top to be crystal like. I mean, it's not creamy and smooth as I hoped it would be. So I crumbled the frozen ice cream mixture with a sharp knife, and once it is crumbled, I added the frozen ice cream mix into a blender jar, hoping that if I blend it well, the healthy natural fats in the fresh coconut milk will emulsify and may help the ice cream to become creamy. Once blended, I transferred it into another container and covered it with food grade cling wrap and allowed it to freeze overnight. And the next day, this is how the ice cream turned out. I thought it is because of the new ice cream scooper I'm using. The ice cream is not turning out the way I wanted it to be. So I took out my old ice cream scooper and tried to scoop the ice cream. It was full of crystals and did not have the texture of a creamy chocolate ice cream. Finally, I decided to serve it as a chocolate popsicle and poured them into paper cups. And we did enjoy the chocolate popsicle. Now, why didn't the recipe work? Well, the simple answer will be because I did not use store-bought coconut milk, which may contain stabilizers, fillers, and most importantly, added fats, which will make the coconut milk creamy and thick, and that means creamy and soft ice cream. I wanted to share this failed recipe just to let you know, yes, recipe testing may not always be a success. Some recipes fail, and those recipes don't come up on the channel. Only through failures you can reach perfection. And I hope this video will give you an idea that it takes a lot of trial and error to successfully publish a recipe on the channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.